Island living done right. Welcome to Vero Towers number 403. Fourth floor condo with southern exposure, so it's light, bright, and happy all day long. And your neighbor, this beautiful marina, because boats, breezes, and coastal vibes should be part of your everyday life. And the lifestyle, chef's kiss. You're walkable to the beach, walkable to the park with tennis, pickleball, and trails, and bordered by the Indian River, which makes this feel like your own little island escape. There's a community pool for easy afternoons. Lock it, leave it, or live here full time and just enjoy. If you want a Central Beach condo where you could actually ditch the car and live an island life, Unit 403 is calling your name.